Okay, back again. We had a couple camera difficulties, but anyways, we just pulled this first and second nail of that second course. We're gonna keep going here. These nails are really holding in there. They're a ring shank nail, so when they catch, they really they can be kind of difficult to pull sometimes. There's our shingle. Can't read the back of this one, but they're very, very close in size. This old one might be, no, I'd say they're pretty darn good. We're gonna put this guy in. This is if you look right here, you can see this is a 2-layer. That's an organic shingle under there. We typically replace anything that has an organic under it like this. Building codes require us that shingles and underlayment be fastened to a solidly sheathed deck. This is not solid. There's a bunch of, you'll get like waves in it, so typically we always recommend replacement, but we're gonna continue the repair so we can see the repairability of these guys. Dimension looks good. Color, this looks like it's a little bit stained. That's just what we got from the from ABC. It's supposed to be white, but I suspect that we're gonna have some issues with creasing and cracking when we start nailing this thing in. So I'm going to have to re-nail this course and then this course too. I don't want to bend the shingle or manipulate it any more than I need to. Just enough to swing my ripping hatchet. You can see right there, I'm not bending that shingle any more than I need to. Manufacturer requires that we drive a flush-driven nail. That gives me just enough room to swing my hatchets. So I want to be square to the deck or driving a nail perpendicular to the deck. I always like to re-nail some of these other shingles around here too, even if I didn't pull some of those nails. See, that's the problem when you have shingles underneath. Like when I go to typically on a solid deck with my hatchet, I can drive a nail in, but if this is sitting on another edge like this, that nail will want to roll over. I think okay. I think we're good. So before we take our brush and brush anything, we can kind of start to see where we're having some granule loss from where we manipulated those shingles. I can start to see some creasing, matting transfer. So we'll take our brush. Like I said, this simulates nothing more than what the first wind or rain would do. We can see some of these shingles are really starting to crease. So if I was actually repairing this shingle would need to be replaced, and this one too. I had some shingles tearing up underneath when I was pulling nails, but this shows us really what we need to see. So we go back and look at our control shingle here again. We don't see any creasing or cracking, or our granule retention's still good here. This is an unaltered area, so I think this one's gonna fail, especially with that second layer on there. We'd definitely recommend replacement on this. So that's all I got. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thanks.